Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is for the bums and the bitches. My cousin finna make a speech about y'all hoes and niggas. Don't get too offensive, just listen what she gotta say. If you don't like it, you fake as fuck. And fuck it. Fuck it.
This Nicky Monroe, School 101. With your host, Nicky Monroe. Alright, we finna cut to the motherfucking chase, my nigga. We just talking about these fuck niggas, fuck assholes, fuck bitches, everybody. Anybody with a fuck in the front. That's who we talking about today. Check me out. The word of the day is Hoover. Now, let me get your understanding of what a Hoover is. A Hoover is a nobody, bum ass, lame ass fuck nigga that come around, ain't never got shit, but always want something. Now, let me explain. I'm chilling with my rounds, you feel me? Everybody good, everybody eating, everybody got them. You feel me? It's always that one motherfucker that come around trying to ease on in there and shit. Oh, let me hit your joint. Let me tap your mouth. No job. How the fuck can you even call yourself a man and you ain't got no job? You out here smoking on other nigga weed, using bitches to try to get something. You are a Hoover. We're gonna do some live calls right now just to see what the fuck a Hoover is. We're gonna see if people know what a Hoover is. We're gonna see if other people in the world has been affected by Hoovers. This is my friend Mimi, y'all. We calling her via satellite.
Hello.
What it do, Mimi?
What's good?
I got you on the Nicky Monroe show right now, calling you as being able to speak out on your feelings. Would you be willing to do that?
Go ahead.
The talk of the day is Hoover ass niggas. Now we all know what a Hoover is. A bitch come around trying to get a plate of food, don't never offer nothing to eat, but want to eat everything.
Like it's a stop and shop.
Stop and shop. They are the on-the-go stop and shops. Because they stop with their homies that they think got something and shop around for what they got to offer. Alright, I'm going to be moving on to the next caller. Thank you for your help, Mimi. See you later.
Shout out.
Hoo-doo-hoo! Calling my best friend Jesse, y'all, via satellite.
Hello.
What it do, Jesse?
Hey.
I got you on via satellite on the Nicky Monroe show. The word of the day is Hoover.
Oh, Hoover. I know a couple of them. Oh, well, those are the worst people to have around when you have weed, blacks, cigarettes, food, money. They're the worst people to have around. All they do is just want anything you got, anything they see you with, they want it. They think because you cool with them, they want a little piece of every fucking thing you want. It's just ridiculous. I can't stand the fucking Hoover. They'll even steal your fucking lighter if you leave that shit around.